Various buttons can be made. This is the Fasttobuy button maker machine. Now let's start using it. First, adjust this circle cutter. Put it in the middle. Use the circle cutter to cut a picture. The mode is 58 mm. When you cut on the paper, it need to be 12 mm bigger. Now let's start making a mirror button. Put iron cover in a mode number A and put the picture on the iron cover. Take worn plastic paper and put on it. Press down the machine. Put the plastic ring in mode B over here. The concave side of the metal ring is facing up. The back of the mirror is facing up. Put one sticker on it. Press down the machine. There is a really nice mirror button. Now let's make another brooch button. Put iron cover in a mode number A and put the picture on the iron cover. Please refer to the angle in the video to place the picture. Form plastic paper and put on it. Press down the machine. Put the brooch pin back cover in mode B. Buckle pin side down. Please refer to the video for the placement direction of the badge base. Press down the machine. There is a very beautiful button.